Around downtown, cruising through the streets in my straight A. Got a Glock on me, ain't nobody with me in this straight A. Baby, you can come right in my straight A.
Hello you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, That Man's Gordo, as you guys already know. So you guys are probably thinking like, why did this guy start the video off like this? But it's because I got some good news for you guys. So today we're about to order some new, we could say they're like shock springs, but it's to lower my car. So if you guys know who Hector is, it's one of the guys from Team SRT. He said he's gonna help me lower my car, so we're probably gonna lower the back, looking nice. So today I'm gonna order them. I'm gonna show you guys everything. So I'm about to show you guys right now, so stay tuned right here. Boom. So basically this is what I'm ordering. Here you go, let me see if I can focus more. Alright, so yeah, these are the ones I'm finna order for my Jeep. These ones right here, the price on it is kinda like $324 flat. Pretty good deal, I feel like, you know, a little bit cheaper than I would spend in store, because I know it's somewhere, if I do it, it is gonna be it's gonna be too much costly. I'm pretty sure think that it's probably gonna cost me more than, you know, only paying $324. It's not bad, because I know if I go to a shop, it's gonna be like $1,300, you know, and stuff like that. So I'm probably gonna get these and see how it goes, but stay tuned. So today is not the same day I'm gonna install them. Today is the day I'm buying them and showing you guys, but I'm gonna hook this video up to the day that we install them. So stay tuned, keep watching, and yeah. Alright you guys, as you guys can see, we are here. We got the springs already. Shout out to the website, they brung them, but yeah, we got them in already, so they're here. We're probably gonna have to install them next Friday, so they're gonna help me out. So yeah, but here they are. We got for the back ones in the front. So, but yeah guys, stay tuned. We're gonna have them installed this Friday. How's it going, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So basically how we left off was the springs just got ordered and everything, so they're here. I have them with me, and right now basically I'm going to Hector's house, the guy that's gonna help me install them, my buddy. He said he's gonna help me install them, so basically that's where we're heading right now, to go install them for you guys, show you guys. Hopefully they come out good, and that's my goal. But you know, we're gonna have to find out when we get there. But that's what I'm really looking for them to look good on the car. Sorry guys, I'm driving right now because I'm going there. But yeah, I'm trying to see how low it would be. Hopefully it's not too low. I don't want it to scratch the ground, so I'm not looking into that low. So hopefully it's not that low, but we're gonna see guys. So we'll see y'all when we get there. Alright guys, so we just got here to my buddy's house right now, so we're about to see what he be talking about. But yeah guys, we just got here, so I can see it. So we just here, we just waiting until he opened the door. I don't know if I should I pull up there? Dang, hopefully that doesn't make me a big of a deal.
Boy, who's mad?
You never know, bro. I'm just saying.
That shit is low. You're a fucking clown.
What you mean? That's gonna do anything, any damage to the sexiness right here.
You're a fucking clown. Put a clown mask on.
So dummy. Alright guys, so we'll see y'all when we in there.
Alright, well there's Hector, you guys.
He needs an energy booster.
Where's it? Look out, he got his energy booster.
Alright honey, I think we got. We got these two SRTs out here though. Mine already out there. Check it out. It's already lifted. It's already on the wheels. We got that girl on over there.
They're like, real nice.
He said,
Come on, bro.
Alright guys, it's going in now. Hey. Alrighty.
You good?
We good. We all in the action.
Content, I will. Where the fuck is in it?
It's because it's kind of too dark.
Can you go bring me a beer? Please?
Got the hooky fucked up.
What are you doing?
Damn, I think.
Hey,
Good lightning on him.
Hey, bro, don't put me. I'm gonna sue your ass if you put me on the vlog. I'll sue you for the beef. You think I'm kidding too?
Check it out, bro.
I'll do it. I don't care.
Can't even turn it off.
Look at that. See, hey, all right.
How much is a camera share, bro?
Hey, ¿querías buscar ahora? Okay. Alright, let's ponle de ese para subirlo. I just got done.
Yeah, there you go.
Like, show like the butt crack.
And then what's your phone number, bro, and your email?
A ver, que me métele la luz para ver.
Bro, he been texting me saying that you wanted a shout out, bro.
Así me manda,
Hey, Misa, don't you be asking me, ¿cuándo vas a visar gordo?
Oh, yeah, but you don't upload.
I don't know, upload a lot.
I'm about to unsubscribe for the channel, so don't do this for me.
Come on, him.
Hey, I'm sorry, I just didn't.
Mételo ya adentro.
Gorgeous. Here, bro, let me do it. Dude, saca the spring. Oh, what's it hitting on? I don't know, bro.
You need something heavy duty there, bro.
Gordo. No mames, güey.
Alright, bro, I'm
No te
gonna...
vayas a caer encima de todo. You're gonna print this shit. I see this shit on YouTube. I see this shit online.
Right here, ready? I'm gonna...
No, cállate los. No te caes encima de la.
You better have life insurance,
Hey,
bro.
Kimi, dame el martillo. Hold on, bro. Abajo, güey.
¿Ya?
No, dale. Ya, suéltale. Okay, big gap on top, big, what does it say?
Big gap on top. You alright, Sal? You alright? You want a cookie?
Get him. What up? You gotta...
Gordo, you know what you should do, bro?
What's up?
Put the stuff in the wheels up front, pa. En vez de estar ahí nomás parado.
Okay.
Decoration.
Okay. That will go on my vlog too.
Porque pues, como que yo estoy haciendo todo los jales, compa, y como I thought you were gonna do it. Okay, bro, I'm just fucking with you, bro. Gordo, so you're not gonna want another sticker?
Huh?
You're not gonna want another sticker?
It's on you, bro.
You guys, so the new ones are in.
How much did you pay for that, bro?
The tires, all four of them are paying 1,700.
1,700?
Yeah.
1,700?
Yeah.
For the tires?
Yeah.
Really?
We're all lifetime guarantee.
Fuck up.
Flash me.
Who's man's?
Please, please.
Hey, every single one has a nut already?
Yeah.
Finally putting in some works.
Alright. Good flashing. There you go.
The bolts. Ay, chingada madre. Bruh. I don't know what's more important. The bolt or the vlogging camera?
Yeah, bro. I need the boat.
Where are they at? You have them over there?
Here you go.
Here, let me go over there. Pon this one arriba. Here, just start them and I'll get them with this. Don't make it fall out.
Something here, bro, that you need?
Not that I know.
Your phone. What's that?
I don't know where my phone is.
Your phone? Oh, aquí está.
Can't even see. Ah, squeaky brake.
How's it going, you guys? I'm back. So basically, as you guys can see, I lowered my car, and you guys just seen that. I'm sorry, this is the second day because you know it was raining that day, and plus it was dark, so I couldn't show you guys how low it was. But I am gonna have a picture right here, so just I'm gonna let it slide through right here for you guys can see it. And then after that, I'm about to pull the car out right now. It's right here if you guys can see. It's behind me. I'm about to pull it out and I'm about to show you guys how it looked. And if you guys want to, you guys can always, don't forget, always show love to me on Instagram. I always have stuff there too, and Snapchat, so you can always stay tuned on that. I'll have those two below just to stay tuned. But yeah, I'm about to pull it out right now for you guys, and I'm about to show you, put it on a flat surface and show you guys how low it is. And if, you know, like I said, I'm gonna have some photos on here so you guys can see, and then from there, we're gonna go it. So I'm gonna pull it out.
Silky beef.
Alright, you guys, so as you guys can see, I do have the car out now. So the car is right here. I'm sorry it's kind of dirty because, like I said, that day that it was raining, I haven't had time to wash it. So, but here's the car. So basically what I'm gonna say, what I did to it for you guys can understand a little bit more, because you know there's a lot of ways how to lower your car. Basically how me and my guy Hector did it, we changed the springs. So most of you guys are probably familiar to do that. I know some of you guys do that, so it's not, you know, some of you guys know how to do it and stuff like that, so you guys already know. But you know, that's what we kind of did to it. I'll show you guys the old ones, but I'll show you guys right now about it. But let me just open this up real quick for you guys and show you guys the old one. So basically these are the old ones that we did. Yeah, they're already like, look at that. But yeah, these are kind of the old ones. We do have the new ones already installed, as you guys can tell, but these are the old ones. This was which we kind of just did. There's a lot of people that were wondering like, oh, like how you gotta lower it, how did you lower it? So you know, that's just a little recommend, and you know, it's easier. It was kind of like, it's kind of low, if you guys can tell. You know, it used to be like, you know, it's like 4 fingers. It used to be, you know, like 5. My whole hand used to fit up in there. But like I said, I'm gonna have a picture before and after to see where you guys can see it. The same thing on the front. Look, looking in the floor. If you guys are see the floor, it's already kind of too low for it, but yeah. So this is what I did to my Jeep. I do have more stuff coming soon. This is just something, you know, for the meantime, but let me know how it came out, you guys, how you guys see it. I think it's pretty nice. I loved it since I did it. Thanks to my guy Hector for it. So if you're seeing out there, Hector, shout out to you, bro, for helping me do that. That was a big bless for me. But yeah, look at that, you guys. Alright, so basically this video is over. It's done. I'm sorry I have not posted lately. I haven't been posting so much. It's because, you know, this, like I said, I'm trying to keep it just car stuff about my car. So I'm sorry I don't post every day. I'm trying to, but I'm trying to see if you guys would like me to post every day. So every day, like, about my life, because, you know, like I said, here in Minnesota, the weather's just like, you know, whatever. So, you know, I don't want to be popping out my baby, you know, more in the winter. I know I had it last year winter, but this year I'm not doing it. I'm not doing it this winter. So, you know, so basically let me know if I should just keep posting every day about my life, about my family, about the stuff that I do, or you guys want to just keep it car familiar, then I'll just try to keep it car stuff, you know. But like I said, it's kind of hard to just keep doing mods every day, but I'm gonna try for you guys, man, because, you know, you guys have been showing love to me so much and been caring about me, watching all my videos, you know. So hopefully I can keep my car, but keep just making videos about my car. But like I said, the winter's kind of coming up. I got a lot of big things for you guys coming soon, so stay tuned. But yeah, man, like I said, this video is done. It's over. Don't forget to subscribe, share, you know, show love to me. But yeah, guys, so I'll be waiting for you guys for the next mod. But yeah, guys, I'm out.